Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that's going to be very beneficial for your hands and your feet during the upcoming dry and harsh winters, because in most parts of India, winters have already begun and it's very important to take care of your hands and feet as well, along with your face obviously. So if you guys want to know about those 5 tips, please keep on watching. The first point is basically a no-brainer, which is wear socks. Now, wearing socks during winters is very important. So moisturize your feet thoroughly with a nice moisturizer and wear socks so that the moisturizer not only works super efficiently, but you also have nourished and moisturized feet all day long during the harsh and the dry winters. The second point is avoid alcohol-based products. Now, this is important for all seasons, be it winter, summer, monsoon, whatever season it is, you should be avoiding alcohol-based products, because alcohol in any kind of product, when used on the skin, it tends to make your skin dry, and winters is already a very dry season. So if you are using alcohol-based products in winters, it's going to dry out your skin even more. It's going to make your skin drier than it usually is probably. So which is why avoid using products that happen to have alcohol, so that you can prevent your skin from drying out. This is not just for your hands and your feet, but it is for all over your body, whether your face, your body, hands, feet, arms, legs, whatever it is, thighs, whatever, wherever you're moisturizing your skin or wherever you're using products, avoid using alcohol based products so that you can prevent your skin from drying. The third point is something that is going to make all the girls super happy, which is do your regular mani-pedis. Be very regular with your manicures and pedicures, because they help in nourishing and moisturizing the skin really nicely. If you are doing regular manicures and pedicures, you're not only cleaning your hands and your legs and your feet regularly, but you're also making them very nourished as well for a really long time, which is why try to be very regular with your manis and pedis, at least during winter, so that you can keep your skin nourished and moisturized for the season. The fourth tip is moisturize your hands and feet regularly, because moisturizing your skin is basically the key to everything. It's going to be very beneficial in the dry and harsh winters. Moisturizing the hands and feet with a nice moisturizer during winters is actually going to help your skin not only feel but also appear very nice and moisturized and very nourished as well, instead of feeling very dry and very cracky and all of that. Which is why moisturize your hands and feet with a nice nourishing moisturizer, probably something that happens to have shea butter, because shea butter is extremely moisturizing for the skin. So if you are using something like shea butter during winters, it's going to help in moisturizing your hands and your feet really nicely, and it's going to keep them moisturized all day long. The fifth and the last point is wear comfortable shoes and gloves. So this is very important during winters, because no matter how fashionable those boots, those long thigh length boots or those long calf length boots or the ankle length boots and all of that, no matter how fashionable they look, if they're not comfortable, you should not be wearing them, because anything that's uncomfortable that is worn during winters will actually make your skin become very dry and very cracky and all of that, which I'm sure you wouldn't want. And even a moisturizer is not going to do a lot of job if you're not keeping your legs and feet moisturized. And also the fact that if you're wearing such boots and everything, and if they're not comfortable, they can also make your skin and your feet feel very cold as well, and usse na tumhe thand bhi lag sakti hai, which I'm sure you would want to avoid. Which is why try wearing shoes that is more warm, that gives you warmth, that makes your feet warm instead of making them feel cold, so that your skin does not become dry or cracky in any way at all. The same is the case with gloves as well. Do not keep wearing gloves all day long unless you are going into an area where there is a lot of snow, because us case mein then you have to prevent your then you have to basically protect your hands as well. But if you're living in a weather like Delhi, you basically don't require gloves all day long. If you're going out somewhere और बहुत ज़्यादा हवा ठंड हवा चल रही है, at that point of time you can wear gloves, but don't keep them wearing all day long because even that can dry out your hands. So these are basically the 5 tips that's going to help you in protecting or taking care or pampering your hands and your feet during the dry and harsh winters. Now I know you must be thinking that there is one most important point that I left out, which is using hand and foot creams. Honestly, it is not something that I do, which is why I did not include that in the video, because a normal body moisturizer works great for moisturizing my hands and my feet, so you can do the same thing as well. Because I read 2-3 places, it's just said that unless you happen to have a skin condition like eczema or psoriasis or something of that sorts, an allergic condition on your hands and feet, you can use a normal moisturizer. If you have something of that sorts, then you should go for the dedicated hands and foot cream, and even in that case go for the medicated ones and not just something that's available in the market, so that you can make the most out of it. But for me, a normal body moisturizer works just amazing in moisturizing my hands and feet as well, which is why I don't use hand cream and foot cream. But if you really want to do that, you can. There are a lot of hand and foot cream that are available in the market. Search online, see the one that will be beneficial for your skin type. Don't go for just anything. Look for what will work for your particular skin type and then go for that accordingly. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video and if you found this video helpful in any way at all, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.